Springboard Plus is great because it not only allows you to choose from a wide variety of courses, it can help you upskill in a very short space of time. So I work at ATU Connemara, that is a furniture university, and I work on Erasmus projects and I research sustainability. I wanted to upskill because my background is in horticulture engineering, and even though I love working in an office, I would like to get back out into the field, and I thought brewing and distilling would give me that chance. I decided to do a Springboard Plus course at TU Dublin, which is a diploma in brewing and distilling. The best part of my course was all the practicals that we got to do in a very, very modern laboratory, and the field trips that we took to distilleries where most people are not allowed to go, so we learned a lot. I found the application process very easy. It was all online. I just had to upload my documents and it was done. The great thing about Springboard is that 90% of the fees are covered. So if you're thinking about applying for a Springboard course, I would say just go for it. Springboard Plus gives you skills that work for your future.